Hi, are you Sneha? Hi, are you Sneha?
Yes, and you must be Ravi. Yes, and you must be Ravi.
It's nice to finally meet you.
It's nice to finally meet you.
It's nice to finally meet you. This place looks really nice.
This place looks really nice. I come here sometimes after work. I come here sometimes after work.
What would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink? I'll have a cappuccino. I'll have a cappuccino.
I'll get the same. You got it. I'll get the same. How was your day?
How was your day? It was busy, but pretty good. It was busy, but pretty good.
The coffee smells amazing.
It really does. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
You're too much, Ravi.
So, tell me about yourself. So, tell me about Manjur Hughes yourself.
I enjoy reading and traveling. I enjoy reading and traveling.
That sounds interesting.
That sounds interesting.
Right? I knew you'd think so.
That sounds interesting.
I like photography and hiking. I like photography and hiking.
We have some common interests.
We have some common interests.
What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit?
I love visiting the mountains. I love visiting the mountains.
The view there must be beautiful.
The view there must be beautiful. I'm having a great time with you.
I'm having a great time with you. I'm enjoying this conversation too. I'm enjoying this conversation too.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
I like reading books and meeting friends. Reading books and meeting friends.
That sounds like a relaxing weekend. That sounds like a relaxing weekend. The sunset looks beautiful.